Well, hello everybody, Martika here. Welcome to my channel. So, you guys, this is the video that some of you have told me you were waiting on, and this is all about my first vendor event with my hand sewn products for my small sewing business, okay? So, you guys, let me tell you, first of all, getting prepared for the first, you just never know. For really, to be honest with you, I think for any of them, unless it is specifically listed, you know, what they are wanting you to bring. I don't know if you can just be like fully prepared for everything when you don't have everything already made up. So, what I opted to do for this first event, because literally it was a spare of the moment event. My mother, she vendors a lot at all different types of events and shows and markets and things like that. So, this is one that she was actually vendoring at herself. And so, she gave me the contact name to see if they had any more space available, and they did. So this was like a spare of the moment. I had like a week to get prepared, along with doing, you know, my regular duties, you know, of running my lash studio and then, you know, taking care of home and all of that good stuff. So I did what I could. What's funny is what looked like a lot in my sewing room did not look like a whole lot at my table, but yet and still it was a good start. Okay, so I had some laptop bags already made. I had some iPad bags made. I spent a lot of time making up quite a few like keychain wallets, and got some behind me here. That's like the small wallets here, and some of these wristlets as well. So I spent a good number of time making those up so that I could have like sets, or I know that, like, you know, springtime people are out shopping and things like that. I wanted to have something handy to where you don't have to carry a big bag, because I know a lot of people around where I am, they go to like different festivals and things like that, and you don't want to be carrying a big bag. So it's perfect for, like, you know, your lip gloss, your money, your card, you know, whatever you need, even like your car keys, you know, if you just want to throw those in there as well. So it's perfect for things like that. So I wanted to make sure that I had plenty of those on hand. Okay, I'm listening for my buzzer because right now I have some tofu baking in the oven. I'm preparing myself some lunch. I was feeling some salad, okay? And so I remembered that I had some tofu in the refrigerator. And so I just came home and pressed that out really well. And so I opted to bake it in the oven. So I thought I heard my beeper going off, but it's not. And then I also made myself an iced coffee. So got some sugar-free French vanilla and caramel in here. So it's really good, y'all. So as you know, I make up my iced coffees with oat milk. That's what I, you know, use, and definitely sugar-free because we want to be diabetic friendly, okay? So anyway, back to the show. So I had some like I said, I mainly took that time to sew up keychain wallets and wristlets. And so that's what I did there. And there was quite a few women at this show. It was a women's event, and there were quite a few ladies there, but there was also like many other vendors. There was another lady, like she had purses. Someone had desserts. The lady who had desserts, she sold out. Okay, y'all, people like to eat, literally. So she sold out. And then there were like clothes, and my mom had like t-shirts and towels and some different things. And so there was quite a few different vendors around, jewelry, all that good stuff. So all in all, I did sell. It wasn't like a over the top, you know, I made all this money, because I did not. I sold 3 of my bags, and so actually 2 bags and a keychain, the wristlet. So I was pleased with that, because you guys, that was my first public, no, take that back. That was my second public sale, because my daughter worked the show for my mom the weekend before, and she took some of my bags with her, and she actually sold an iPad bag there. So this was my second public sale. And like I said, I didn't even have everything together like I wanted it. I didn't have the displays like I wanted. As a matter of fact, I will show you, what I had set up. And I just got these little gold baskets. I went and picked up some more gold baskets. I think I mentioned that in my last video at Dollar Tree. Put my little keychain wallets in there, spread out the laptop bags. I had a basket at home that I took for my iPad bags, and also the my regular like zipper pouches, like these here, the regular size that you can carry as a clutch, or you can put it inside your purse, use it like as a little makeup bag, really cute. So I put those inside that basket, and really that was all that I had. It was all I had. So I've been spending this week kind of completing some sets because I want to start listing these bags in my Etsy shop. And I've also been looking for some more local events to go to, okay? Just basically so that I can get what I'm making, get my stuff out there. As you know, with anything, it takes time. It takes time to really get yourself out there. I'm going to be doing more social media, showing what I have, not just here, but mainly on like TikTok. I have not been active on TikTok at all. I just set up my account and that's pretty much it. But I want to go ahead and kind of get active in showing what I have, pinning some of them on Pinterest as well. And yeah, just kind of going from there. So I wanted to update you guys to let you know, how it did go. And all in all, it was a great experience because y'all, I was able to put myself out there. Okay. So whether someone bought or not, they know that I do these now. Okay. Another thing, I did not have my business cards made up. Okay. I forgot to do that. I ran out of time. So what I did was I put my information, I typed it up like in Canva. I took a 4x4 glitter like a frame that I picked up from Dollar Tree, cut it down, and I put that in there. So when someone asked me for a card, I had them take a picture of my information inside that frame. And several women did that. So that was a plus. Also letting them know that I do custom orders, you guys. So yeah, it turned out, in my opinion, I think, and I hit this mic, so sorry. But in my opinion, just the experience alone of just putting myself out there, I really, really enjoyed it. And I look for doing that even more. Just not always going somewhere, but also putting myself out there online and really getting, what I'm taking the time out to put my love and my time into. I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I want other people to see that too and be able to purchase and enjoy as well. So yeah, so I wanted to update you guys, and let you know, if you are looking for your first show or getting ready to vendor your products or thinking about getting something going, just do it. Just jump out there. That's what I'm doing. Just jumping out there and getting it done. I'm not a professional at this, putting myself out there as far as with my own products and things like that. This is all new, but it's also a lot of fun. And just as long as you're enjoying the journey as well and learning from it, that is what matters. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sign off of here because I got to go check on my tofu in the oven and get my salad made because I'm hungry, and finish up my little iced coffee here. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, before I do that, I was provided a 6-foot table, by the way. I only used half of it because on the other end, I can't believe I got to tell you this. I was selling my husband's seasonings. My husband has his own seasoning line, and I'll link that in the description box for anybody interested. But I was selling his seasoning like crazy. Like I told y'all, people like to eat. So his seasonings were selling very well. And this was his birthday weekend. So I did that for him. I made my husband some money, okay? And I let him keep it, okay? So you'd be proud of me for that. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that they did provide the table. But I do look forward to purchasing, myself a foldable 6-foot table. I do have a small table, this one behind me, but I would like to purchase myself a foldable 6-foot table, so that way I could carry it around to whatever shows, when I need it, because not all shows have the tables for you. So I want to make sure that I am prepared if that ever happens. So yeah, forgot to tell you that, wanted to jump back in and tell you. So yeah, gonna go and enjoy this beautiful salad that I'm getting ready to put together, and it's going to be beautiful going in. So yeah, I will talk to you all later, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.